How to start a digital marketing agency and how much can you make? Have you ever considered starting your own digital marketing agency? With the rise of online businesses and the increasing importance of digital marketing, this can be a highly profitable venture. But how do you get started? What are the key steps to take and how much can you realistically expect to earn? In today's video, we'll explore the world of digital marketing agencies and discuss everything you need to know to start your own successful agency, including the skills you need, the services you can offer, and the potential income you can generate. So, if you're interested in learning more about this exciting field, keep watching as we dive into how to start a digital marketing agency and how much can you make. Let's begin our guide on starting a digital marketing agency by exploring the importance of choosing a niche. This decision can make or break the success of your agency. Choosing a niche is an important decision when starting a digital marketing agency because it helps you to specialize in a particular area and differentiate yourself from competitors. By focusing on a specific niche, you can become an expert in that area and deliver high-quality services to clients, which can help to build your reputation and attract more business. For example, if you choose to specialize in social media marketing, you can develop expertise in creating social media content and strategies that drive engagement and conversions. On the other hand, choosing the wrong niche can have negative consequences for your agency's success. If you choose a niche that is too broad, you may struggle to stand out from competitors who offer a similar range of services. If you choose a niche that is too narrow, you may limit your potential client base and struggle to generate enough revenue to sustain your agency. It's important to carefully research and evaluate different niches before making a decision. Now that you have identified your agency's niche, it's time to focus on developing the skills necessary to deliver high-quality services in that area. Beyond technical expertise in a specific niche, project management, communication, and strategic thinking are essential for delivering high-quality services to clients and growing your agency. Effective project management ensures that you deliver results on time and within budget, while communication skills are necessary for building strong client relationships and collaborating effectively with team members. Strategic thinking helps you to stay ahead of industry trends, identify growth opportunities, and make informed decisions that drive the success of your agency. Mastering these skills will enable you to provide value to clients and grow your agency's reputation and revenue over time. After identifying the essential skills needed to run a successful digital marketing agency, it's time to build a team of professionals who can help you deliver high-quality services to your clients. Building a team of skilled digital marketing professionals is crucial for the success of your agency. To attract the right candidates, you should have a clear idea of the skills and qualities you are looking for, and use a variety of recruitment channels to widen your search. Once you have hired your team, it's important to create a positive work environment that fosters creativity, collaboration, and growth. Effective communication, goal setting, and performance tracking are also crucial for ensuring that your team stays on track and delivers high-quality services to clients. Then building a strong online presence is essential for digital marketing agencies to attract potential clients and establish their reputation as a leading provider. To achieve this, creating a professional website and social media profiles is critical. Your website is the foundation of your online presence and serves as a digital storefront that showcases your expertise and unique value proposition. In addition, social media profiles allow you to engage with your target audience and build brand awareness. Establishing your online presence is crucial for the success of your agency, and creating an effective strategy that highlights your strengths and resonates with your audience is key. Now that you've established your online presence, it's time to focus on attracting new clients to your agency. Your website and social media profiles are powerful tools for building your brand and showcasing your expertise, but they won't attract clients on their own. There are several strategies you can use to identify and attract new clients, including attending networking events, leveraging social media platforms, and offering free consultations. Networking events provide opportunities to meet potential clients and build valuable relationships. Social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Twitter can help you connect with potential clients and showcase your expertise. Offering free consultations is another effective strategy for attracting new clients, as it allows you to demonstrate the value of your services and build trust with potential clients. By using a combination of these strategies, you can establish a strong client base and grow your agency. After establishing a strong online presence and having identified potential clients, it's time to determine the right pricing model for your agency. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do so and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Pricing your services is an important aspect of running a digital marketing agency. Determining the right pricing model for your agency can be challenging, as there are several factors to consider, such as your level of expertise, the complexity of the project, and the budget of your clients. There are several pricing models to choose from, including hourly rates, project-based fees, and retainer agreements. Each model has its advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to choose the one that aligns with your agency's goals and values. By understanding the pros and cons of each pricing model, you can develop a pricing strategy that is fair to both your agency and your clients. Have you ever wondered how successful digital marketing agencies manage to stay on track and achieve their financial goals? The answer lies in having a well-crafted business plan. Developing a business plan is crucial for the success of any digital marketing agency. It provides a roadmap for achieving your goals, helps to clarify your vision and mission, and guides your decision-making process. A well-crafted business plan will include detailed strategies for marketing, operations, finances, and human resources. It should also include financial projections that demonstrate the potential for profitability. By having a solid business plan in place, you can identify potential obstacles and opportunities, mitigate risk, and ensure that your agency is on track to achieve its financial goals. In short, a business plan is essential for making money and building a sustainable business in the long term. However, to truly thrive in this industry, it's not just about having a solid plan, it's about executing it flawlessly. Delivering high-quality services is key to the success of any digital marketing agency. It requires a deep understanding of the latest industry trends, consumer behavior, and digital platforms. To deliver effective strategies, you need to work closely with your clients to understand their unique needs and goals, and to develop custom solutions that address them. Best practices include conducting thorough research and analysis, developing creative and engaging content, leveraging data analytics, and utilizing a variety of digital marketing channels to reach the right audiences. By delivering high-quality services, you can build trust and establish a reputation for excellence, leading to long-term partnerships and a steady stream of referrals. As your agency grows and your client base expands, it becomes increasingly important to scale your operations and continue to deliver exceptional results. Scaling your agency is an important aspect of building a successful digital marketing business. It involves careful planning and execution to ensure that your agency can continue to grow and thrive over time. To scale your agency, you need to focus on developing a strong brand, hiring and training talented staff, building a loyal client base, and expanding your services to meet the evolving needs of your customers. By taking a strategic approach to growth, you can position your agency for long-term success and achieve your business goals. To be frank, starting a digital marketing agency has the potential to generate significant income, depending on a variety of factors. Your pricing model, client base, and level of success will all play a role in determining your income potential. Hourly rates, project-based fees, and retainer agreements are common pricing models in the industry, with retainer agreements often leading to a more predictable income stream. According to industry sources, digital marketing agencies charge anywhere from $75 to $200 per hour for their services, while project-based fees can range from a few $100s to tens of thousands of dollars per project. As your agency grows and you attract more clients, your income potential will increase. According to industry estimates, a successful digital marketing agency can generate anywhere from $100,000 to $2 million in annual revenue. However, it's important to remember that income potential will vary based on individual circumstances and efforts. In conclusion, starting a digital marketing agency can be a lucrative and rewarding venture, but it requires hard work, dedication, and the right strategies to succeed. However, it's important to remember that income potential will vary based on individual circumstances, and success is not guaranteed. So, get out and work in the field, and with hard work and dedication, you can earn a potential income. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We hope you enjoyed our video and found it helpful in your digital marketing journey.